Okay guys, I wanted to talk a bit about contact tracing. That is the surveillance technology that is being put into use. What it's using is Bluetooth technology, and what that does is it's sending out beacons that are taking what's you're going to have if you're in this program. Each phone has what's known as a rolling code, similar to how the radio codes for garage door openers and the security behind car unlock buttons. What a rolling code is it's a changing code. It's meant to be a security enhancement for unlocking, for example, unlocking a garage door, so someone can't just record the radio um, and then replay it in a replay attack. What they did to enhance that security, and I'm going to talk about how this relates, they did what's called a rolling code, where it will send out a changing code. So if somebody were to try to record using a radio receiver, the code, it would not be able to be replayed and matched since the code is continuously changing. Well, they're doing a similar thing here with the plan for contact tracing. They're going to be using for privacy instead of security. This time they're using a rolling code for privacy. And what that's going to do is it's going to change. That way, someone, um, the idea behind it is someone cannot be identified by recording the code and then, say, listening in and sniffing Bluetooth and being able to track that person. Since the code is continuously changing, only the company that is running the contact tracing will have the identity of the person whose phone is giving out that rolling or changing code. So it may contain a single code for 5 minutes, and then what happens is it picks up all the different phone codes in that area at that time, and if one matches for someone who has tested positive, you would know to notify that person. Well, if your phone, if Wi-Fi, is constantly scanning for networks and giving out the MAC address of that cell phone, if it's not randomized MAC addresses, uh, and sometimes even then the sequence number can be used to correlate in a more advanced tracking. So the rolling coding concept, it's a great step in the right direction, but I can't say if it's really going to protect their privacy, given there are methods to track people outside of that rolling code. So that's what I have for today, guys. I hope you like the information. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back later with more on how you can protect your privacy.